Well, that was a fun Halloween party. I wonder how Olive is. Ah!
Speak of the devil, and he shall appear. Hello, happy.
Oh, Olive! Hi! What are you doing up?
Waiting for you to return home. Do you see that bowl?
Yes?
What's in the bowl?
Nothing?
Exactly. You were supposed to return home at 9:30 to feed me my meat. And now it's 10 o'clock. You are 30 minutes late. I guess it wasn't that important not to be loved and taken care of. You have failed me for the last time, Happy.
I can explain. It was a Halloween party. I just lost track of time. I didn't know how long it was going to.
Silence! You know, I was hungry for some delicious meat, but now do you know what I crave for?
What?
A potato!
Phew. It was only a dream. I always thought that was real.